another video. Really, I haven't been posting in a while, so like post them in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Put the camera on TV.
I can't. It's right here.
I got this. So, keep rolling here.
Face the camera. Ah!
It's
Not that close.
Epic battle.
Why?
I don't know. Julie, come here. They're having an epic battle. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. On these channels. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you not? Are you not? Are you not? Oh, you have to wait. Are you not? 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 La 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 la. Are you not? We have to carry him another place.
Why?
Get off the swing. We have to carry him somewhere else. Because he keeps running into another dog. Another dog. Another dog. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Don't bite the camera, please.
Lay down. Ow. Ah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't play with me. I got a spew. I got a pipe. That's my weapon. Very sharp. Very sharp. Pipe as a weapon. It's very sharp.
No, it's not.
I will stab you. Take a shot.
Where are you going?
He sees that woman over there. Now he wants to bite her.
No, she just doesn't know who that woman is. She was like on God, I guess.
He loves women.
No, he does not. He's a dog. He doesn't know what a woman is.
Let's show this to the group chat.
No.
He loves women.
No.
See, don't you love women?